Hey folks, welcome to Cursor Agent. This is the full map of the app. We are not sending a chat today, we are just learning where everything lives. Look around with me. This is the classic IDE menu bar on top. Files on the left, empty editor in the middle, chat on the right. That blue agent's window button is the other home. Two homes, one product. Keep that in your head. Far left is the activity bar, Explorer, Search, Source Control, Extensions, same idea as VS Code, because this editor is built on that. We will click them in a minute, easy. The empty editor is a cheat sheet. New agent terminal, search files, open browser, maximize chat, add folder, shortcuts, not homework. Nobody is opening a folder yet. Leave it. Right side is new agent. The box says plan, build, / for skills, @ for context. Agent chip, high chip, paperclip. Mike, we still do not type. Watch the Chrome. Bottom bar is status. Workspace name, 0 problems, cursor tab, tab stats, agent stats. Tab is autocomplete while you type. Those zeros mean nothing has scored yet. Hang on a second. File is how work comes in and goes out. New text file is a blank buffer. New window is a second cursor. Switch to agent's window jumps you to the other home. Control-Alt-N, that is the door. Open file is one file. Open folder is the everyday move. Workspace means several folders as one project. Open recent, add folder, save workspace as, duplicate. You do not need all of them tonight. Look at that. Save, save as, save all. Share, autosave preferences is settings. Close folder, close window, exit. File is doors and saves. We are not exiting. Menu closes, keep watching. Pointer slides to edit. Same menu bar, next word, tiny travel, watch the screen. Edit is text chores. Undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. Find and replace in this file. Find in file searches the whole folder. That is the difference. Keep watching. Toggle line comment and block comment wrap code so it stops running. Emmet expands a short tag into HTML, handy later. We are not editing a file today. Close it. Selection is next. This menu is about many cursors, not one highlight. Look at that. Select all, expand, shrink, copy or move a line. Duplicate, add cursor, above or below. That is several cursors at once. Beginners think it is broken. It is a superpower, easy. Add next occurrence grabs the same word again. Select all occurrences grabs every copy. Column selection is a rectangle, not a wrap. Control-click can turn on extra carrots. We will not turn it on. Leave it. View is the layout kitchen. This is where panels show or hide. Watch it open. Appearance is the look. Full screen, Zen-centered menu bar. Primary sidebar, secondary sidebar, status bar, panel. Those checkmarks are already on. That is why the chat lives on the right. Look at that. Minimap, breadcrumbs, sticky scroll, white space, zoom. You can hide Chrome if it feels loud. We are not changing theme today. Peek, then move. Editor layout is how many panes. Split up, down, left, right. 2 columns, 3 rows, a grid. This is why people stay in the IDE when they want lots of files on screen. Keep watching. Move or copy an editor into a new window if you have 2 monitors. Flip layout swaps the grid. We are not splitting tonight. Just know the menu exists. Easy. View without a submenu is a jump list. Explorer, search, source control, run extensions, then problems, output, debug console, terminal, word wrap, same panels, one menu, they close it, keep going. Go is navigation, back, forward, last edit, go to file, symbol in the workspace, symbol in this editor, definition, declaration, type, implementations, references, jump, do not hunt. Look at that. Add symbol to current chat drops a name into the agent. Add symbol to new chat starts a fresh thread with that name. Next problem, previous change. Go is how you land. Menu closes, hang on a second. Run is the debugger. Start debugging, run without debugging, stop, restart configurations, live here. Step over, into, out, continue. Breakpoints are pause points. We are not launching a debug session. Watch the list. Enable, disable, remove all breakpoints. Install additional debuggers if a language needs a plugin. Classic IDE job. Agents window is not this menu. Close it. Terminal menu is the shell and tasks. New terminal, split terminal, run task, run build task, run the active file. This is your computer in a pane. Keep watching. Show running tasks, restart, terminate configure tasks, default build task. You will see the agent run commands later in the course. Tonight we only name the door easy. Help is last on the bar. Pointer is already there. Watch it open. Show all commands is the palette again. Release notes, report issue, feedback, license, developer tools, and process explorer are for when the app itself misbehaves. Check for updates about, we are not updating. Close it. Help is gone. Explorer is still the left view. Cursor Tor workspace is empty. Outline and timeline are collapsed because there is no file open. Empty is the truth. Look at that. Search icon. This is find across files, not the agent's window finder. Match case, whole word, regex. Files to include, files to exclude. You type a word, the tree answers. Keep watching. Include and exclude keep node modules out of the noise. We are not searching yet. Just know this panel is for text in files. Easy. Source control. This folder has no Git repo. That message is honest. Initialize repository starts local history. Publish to GitHub puts it online. We do neither. Look at that. Later, this pane is changes, commits. The diff today, it is a blank Git door. Do not panic. Empty folder, empty Git. Hang on a second. Extensions. Search the marketplace installed already has remote SSH by Anisphere. That is Cursor's own remote box. Recommended wants GitLens. Recommended is a suggestion, not a requirement. Keep watching. GitLens is a Git supercharger. We are not clicking install. The classic IDE is where VS Code extensions live. Agents window does not replace this list. Leave the button alone. There is a banner about importing local cursor extensions. Ignore it for this tour. One installed, one recommended, nothing else to buy. Easy. They open the agent chip. Agent is the doer. It can edit files and run commands. Ask is read-only. Same brain, no edits. That is the trap. Wrong mode feels like the model ignored you. Look at that. Plan writes the approach first, then you build. Debug hunts a bug with runtime evidence before it patches. Multitask splits work across helpers. We pick none of them. Agent stays checked, close the menu. High is effort, not the model name. Low, medium, high, extra high is how hard it thinks. High is checked on this take. Fast is a quicker variant. Fast is off. Keep watching. Model on this take is Cursor Grok 4.6. Yours can be different tomorrow. Do not memorize the name as the product. Memorize the menu, close it. The three dots on new agent. Open browser. Export transcript. Copy request ID. Give feedback. Agent settings. Support stuff and a browser door. We are not copying an ID. Look at that. Show opened editors, close all, close saved, preview editors, lock group. That is tab housekeeping for this chat pane. Menu closes, bottom panel is next. Hang on a second. Bottom panel, problems is selected, no problems have been detected, filter box is empty, output, debug console, terminal, ports are sibling tabs. This is where errors land when a file exists. Keep watching. Terminal will be the shell, ports is forwarded URLs, output is raw logs. You do not live here on day one. You glance here when something breaks. Easy. Panel closes, IDE is quiet again. Status bar is the next target. Watch the screen. Right-click the status bar, hide status bar, remote host, workspace name, problems, cursor tab, tab stats, agent stats, recent commit, notifications. These are the meters. Look at that. You can hide a meter if it is noise. We hide nothing. Cursor tab is autocomplete. Agent stats scores, agent edits, zeros because we have done no work. Close it. Right-click the welcome editor. New file, open file, split new window, lock group, close pane, same verbs, closer to the mouse. We do not split. Keep going. Right-click the new agent tab. Export, copy request ID, feedback, rename chat, fork copies the thread, close others, pin, split, move to a window. Look at that. Agent settings is in this menu too. Pin keeps the tab, we pin nothing. Palette is next. Easy. Command palette, the greater than mark means commands, not files. Open browser, add a user rule, breakpoints, accounts. This is the search box for every action in the app. Keep watching. They type agents window. One hit view, switch to agents window, Control-Alt-N. Same door as file. Palette is how you find a command when you forget the menu. They are about to jump. Hang on a second. Cursor settings, general banner says plugins. MCP skills and rules move to customize. That is the new drawer. Cursor account is billing, editor settings, keyboard shortcuts. Look at that. Import settings from VS Code if you already live there. Reset Don't Ask Again brings hidden dialogues back. We import nothing. This page is the kitchen sink. Keep watching. Git Lens Marketplace page details features, changelog, install and auto update sit there. Still recommended, still not installed. Do not click it, watch the tabs. They hop back to settings, then Git Lens again, then the blue agents window button. Marketplace was a peak. The real jump is that button. Here we go. Agents window replaced the IDE. File edit view help. IDE button goes back. Sidebar is new chat, search, automations, customize this computer, means the agent runs on this machine. Two homes, remember, look at that. Repositories lists folders this window already knows. Cursor tour workspace, course generator skills, reading list. Those extra chats are leftovers, not today's job. Composer still says plan, build, /at. Easy. Starter cards, start with a plan, debug an issue, create a dashboard. Those are prompts, not extra apps. Footer talks about subagents. We click none of them. Watch the menus. Agents window file is short. New agent, open folder, new terminal, new browser, open IDE, exit. Open IDE is the door back. New browser is the agent's browser, not Chrome on your desktop. Close it. Edit here is tiny. Undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, select all. No find in files. This window is not the full IDE. That is the point. Keep watching. View is the missing panels changes, browser files, terminal, status bar is checked, zoom, settings. This take never opens those panels. No, they live here. Look at that. Files is the tree without leaving this window. Changes is the diff browser is a pain. The agent can drive. We peek the names only. Menu closes easy. Help command palette. Keyboard shortcuts. View license shorter than the IDE help. Palette still exists here. They close it. Hang on a second. Composer chips changed. Reading list. Select branch. Cloud reading list is the repo chip. Select branch is which Git line. Cloud means run on a VM, not this computer. Same box, different place. Look at that. Plus, hi, mic, plan, and new idea sit under the box. Still empty, we do not send. Search is next. Keep watching. Search palette, agents, canvas, files, actions, tabs, all agents, files, actions. Settings, files, here is a filter, not a folder. That is the beginner trap. Easy. Recent agents lists old chats. Go back, go forward, new agent, dictate, pin. Plan mode is an action in the list. We open none of them. Palette closes, watch automations. Automations always on agents on a trigger, not a chat you sit and watch. New automation is the blank form, from cursor shows built-in ones. Bugbot reviews PRs, security scans, PR routing assigns reviewers. We click get started? No, look at that. Mine versus team. This account already has one row status active. Leftover from other work, not today's homework. All runs would be the history. We leave, keep going. Customize is the extras drawer. Search plugins, skills, MCPs. Browse marketplace, tabs all, plugins, MCPs. Skills, subagents, rules, commands, hooks. One place, not buried in settings. Look at that. Plugins tab, installed 2, Context 7 by Upstash, GitHub by Cursor. A plugin can bundle rules, skills, MCP, hooks. We are not adding a third. Watch the names. Context 7 is docs lookup. GitHub is the GitHub connection. MCP is how agent talks to outside tools. The MCP tab is right there if you need servers later. Stay on plugins. Easy. Subagents tab. A subagent is a helper with its own context. Docs researcher is on screen from Context 7. Lightweight docs fetch so the main chat stays clean. We do not run it. Keep watching. Rules tab, user 1 plus new. A rule is an always-on instruction. This account has a personal one. Yours can be empty. Project rules live in the repo. We create none. Look at that. Commands tab. These are reusable prompts you fire with /. User has course hello. Context 7 has a docs command. / in the composer is this list. We type nothing. Easy. Hooks tab. Scripts at lifecycle events. Observe, control, extend the agent loop. Documentation link, execution log at 0. No hook has run. That empty log is the proof. Hang on a second. Back to new chat, empty composer. Reading list, select branch, cloud, same chips. Sidebar new chat is selected again. This is home base in agents window. Keep watching. Placeholder still plan, build slash at. Suggestion later will mention slash review. We still do not send. Hi is about to reopen. Leave the box empty. Same high menu, effort low through extra high fast, still off. Cursor Grok 4.6 still the model. They showed it twice so you would not miss it. Close it, easy. Composer idle. Next stop is settings from this window. Gear by the plan. Watch the screen. Agent settings, general rail on the left is the whole list. Banner again, extras move to customize. Account, startup tips, window restoration, continue interrupted agents, notifications, tray icon. Look at that. They skip appearance, cloud agents, Git, and PRs on this pass. Those names stay in the rail. Docs is an external link. We follow the clicks they actually make. Keep watching. Profile photo, first name, last name, claim a handle. Public profile off. This is how you look to other people. We do not upload, and we do not read the private email out loud. Save stays idle. Easy. Plan and usage. Current plan on this account is ultra limits, reset on a date. Cursor models versus other models are two buckets. On-demand spending is disabled. This is a billing map, not a shopping trip. Look at that. Monthly limit is disabled too. You can learn the product without matching this plan. Read the meters, do not copy the price. Next is agents. Hang on a second. Agent settings, submit with Control-Enter, default environment, default model, queue messages, queue means a follow-up waits until the current job finishes. Usage summary auto, keep watching. Agent autocomplete, auto-approve mode transitions, voice submit keywords. These are how chat behaves, not tab in the editor. We toggle nothing, easy. Models, choose which names appear in the picker. Explore subagent model, then a list Cursor Grok 4.6, Claude Opus GPT more. View all models API keys. This take already picked Grok in the chip. Look at that. API keys is if you bring your own. Default in the list is a highlight, not a command to switch. We switch nothing. Worktrees next. Worktrees isolated Git checkouts, so two agents do not smash the same files. Cleanup removes old ones. Max Worktrees 25, max size 50 gig. No cursor managed Worktrees on this machine. Empty is fine, keep watching. Browser and network. Browser automation can connect to a tab. Browser protection is off, open local links in cursor browser is on. Web links in cursor browser is off. HTTP2, diagnostics. We run no test. Look at that. Required domains is the allow list for the agent network. Copy or show if you ever debug a block. Leave it tab settings next. Easy. Tab settings. Cursor tab is on. That is ghost text you accept with tab. Partial accepts is off. Suggestions, while commenting is on. White space only is off. Imports is off. Ignored files is the deny list. Keep watching. Tab is not the agent. Rules do not drive tab. If ghost text annoys you, this page is the off switch. We leave it on. Code intelligence is next. Hang on a second. Code intelligence index repositories for instant grep is on. That index makes search fast hierarchical ignore. Symlink ignore. LSPs are language servers, the red squiggles, LSPs on, Worktree LSPs off, max 3 local workspaces. Look at that. If jump to definition feels dead, this is the page. We change nothing. Beta is last easy. Beta, update, access, default, stable updates unless you opt into early access. Pre-release can be shaky, docs link is in the rail, we do not switch to early access, close settings. Settings gone, empty new chat again. Same chips, same high, same mic, home base, one more peek. Watch the screen. View again, changes, browser files, terminal status bar checked. They still do not open a panel. Names only. That is discipline. Close it. Hint under the box. /review asks cursor to hunt bugs, regressions, security, missing tests. A skill, not a send. Composer stays empty on purpose. Look at that. Classic IDE for files and extensions. Agents window for chats, cloud, automations, customize. You now know where the doors are, you still have not sent a message. That is the whole map. See you in the next lesson.